every day. You may be giving your power to others without knowing it. Subscribe to English Chats Daily to improve your English with powerful life stories. There was a man who had a special power. He did not know about it. Whatever he focused on became stronger in his life. But he never used this power carefully. Every day, he thought about his competitors. He would stand quietly, looking at others' success. His face was neutral, but inside, he felt sad. They are better than me. They are moving ahead. These thoughts repeated again and again. Then he would think about his boss. He would sit in his chair, shoulders slightly down, thinking, "My boss has all the power. He controls everything." Days passed. Slowly, his competitors became more successful. His boss became more controlling, and the man became smaller. He walked slowly, his head slightly down. His energy felt low. Every time he saw others succeed, he felt more sad. But he did not understand one thing. They were not becoming stronger. He was making them stronger by giving them his attention. One evening, after a long day, he sat alone in a quiet room. Soft light around him. No noise. He looked calm, but inside, he was thinking deeply. For the first time, he asked himself, "Why does everyone feel powerful except me?" He stayed silent. Then a new thought came. What if my attention is my power? His face became still. His body straightened slowly. The next day, he tried something new. Instead of watching others, he focused on himself. He sat at his desk, back straight, working quietly. He focused on his ideas, on his creativity, on his work. At first, nothing changed. The world looked the same. But this time, he stayed determined. Day after day, he kept focusing on himself. He learned, he improved, he kept going calmly. Slowly, things started to change. His confidence grew. He started walking straight. His movements became stronger. People started noticing him. The same world that once felt heavy now felt lighter. And those people who once looked powerful no longer felt scary. Not because they changed, but because he changed. He finally understood his power. He was never weak. He was just giving his power away. Now, he became careful, calm, focused, because now he knew what you focus on grows. If you focus on others, you make them strong. If you focus on yourself, you become strong. Your attention is your greatest power. The world does not control your power, your focus does. If you want to build a strong mindset and improve your English, subscribe to English Chats Daily.